So in trying to think of places that we can go that didn't involve a whole lot of walking, I remembered the observation decks. We haven't done any of those yet. Today's not the greatest day for an observation deck, but it's also not the worst. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Today, let's go to Hudson Yards and check out the observation deck they call the Edge. Let's go. All right, we made it to Hudson Yards. It's rush hour, which made things a little more complicated. Remember, Hudson Yards is built over the rail yard. This is the first phase. There's still rail yard down there, and they're still working on the second phase. We got the vessel right there, and that's 30 Hudson Yards, which is where we're going. These things always make me a little more nervous when I have timed ticket entries and stuff. I got about 15 minutes before it's my time, so let's wander over there. It's dark. Welcome to the 100th floor. Already you can tell there's been an incredible view of the Empire State Building right there. All right, let's go outside. Pretty incredible views. We'll keep looking around in just a minute. It's cold out here though. I need to put my gloves on. There also aren't that many people here, which is one of the reasons that I chose to come today. The view could be a little bit better, but it's not too bad. But it's bad enough to keep some people from coming up here today. All right, gloves are on. Let's explore. With a name like the Edge, you might guess there are lots of sharp edges here. There are a lot of these corners that jut out and the glass is angled out so you can go and stand and kind of be hanging out over the edge here. The Edge, all right. This is the not as interesting side looking over toward New Jersey and then down the island toward downtown. And you can see the rest of the rail yard, the Hudson Yards, that hasn't been covered up yet. That's phase 2. They're gonna start working on that at some point. There is work over there on the new tunnel project going on to the Hudson. The building itself is kind of interesting too. It's got that strange point on it. We can see it from our apartment. So this is the corner that everybody waits for because it sticks out over the city. And then it also has a translucent floor. Maybe we'll get to see in a minute. So let's go through some of the stats before we look around. So again, we're at 30 Hudson Yards and this observation deck is called the Edge. This is the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere. We're on the 100th floor here. This building is the 7th tallest building in New York City and the 9th tallest in the United States. Up on the 100th floor here, we're at 1,100 feet elevation. So the groundbreaking in this building took place in 2012. By 2016, the first few above ground floors were in place, and the observation deck was completed in 2018. Observation deck opened in 2020, and then the pandemic happened, and it had to close for a while. Over there's that translucent floor that looks straight down to the ground. This is the second highest observation deck in the world that has one of those. Let's look around. See some good stuff from up here. Madison Square Garden's right there. That's over Penn Station. If you haven't seen the Penn Station episode, you should check that one out. Empire State Building is on my list of other observation decks to do. That's usually a little more popular than this one though, for good reason. Over there's the Hudson, and you can see all the Hudson River parks over there. We've walked all those. Check out that playlist if you haven't seen it. I mean, this floor thing is kind of crazy. Yeah. So right below us, I can see the start of the High Line. We've walked the High Line. You should check out that episode if you haven't seen it. Down on the High Line is that huge pigeon statue that some artist did. You can see it from here. It's pretty big. Kind of funny about this is the last episode that I did was of the model of the city of New York. We're looking down on all the buildings, and here we are in an observation deck. Not quite as high as we were in the model, but similar view. This is a cool view. So other observation decks, you've got the Empire State Building, of course. Over there, one Vanderbilt, which is right next to Grand Central. That has an observation deck that's supposed to be pretty cool. And then the classic 30 Rock is over there. Someday we'll work our way around them. So much to see that we've done. Back there across the Hudson, you can see the George Washington Bridge. We walked over that. That was fun. Check that one out if you haven't seen it. So there's definitely a haze out here that's making it a little bit hard to see some of the stuff, but still a decent view. Nice and cold. So there's also something called the climb here, which is up there. They strap you into harnesses and you like climb up the very top of the building or something like that. I think it's like $500 to do that though. Speaking of which, this was not free, which is one of the reasons I haven't done observation decks yet. Taking advantage of all the free stuff first. But I knew at some point I want to do this. Here we are. But then you see the sights and it's time to go. I think we've seen about all that we can see from up here. It's beautiful. Good observation deck, worth the visit. I would probably pick a clearer day. Good trip though. All right, let's start the journey back. Before we go, there's some good views from in here too, and it's a lot warmer. All right, good times. Let's get in the elevator line. Exit through the gift shop. All right, pretty cool observation deck experience. Man, that elevator ride down there. There's a video projection on the walls of the elevator. It was kind of flying all over the place. It kind of made you feel like you're moving, not just down. It's kind of weird. So this is like a mall here at Hudson Yards also. This place is very sparkly. If there is a place that will get you to love Christmas, it's New York City. It's a little Brooklyn Bridge Tower, little Brooklyn Bridge Tower. And this again is the vessel. Someday we'll go visit that. It's open again. They put in mesh linings around the outside so people can't jump anymore. Just missed one. I'm back up to the east side. A pretty cool observation deck, the Edge, first of a few. Which is funny, when I got on the subway, there was an ad playing for the observation deck at One World Trade Center, which I totally forgot about when we were up there looking around. We'll hit that one too. Anyway, if you're just finding this channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe, tell all your friends about it, and look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.